Biden, Obama, push the wall like Biden, Obama, Clint Eastwood, Wolverine, situation, Blitzer, Steve Austin, Guatemala, come on, push. Push it, just like Biden, Obama, Steve Austin, Guatemala, come on, push. Excuse me, Brian F. O'Byrne, he's not a terrible actor, I agree, how about Anthony Hopkins, much better actor, and John Lithgow, much better actor. Better.